everyone, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Lift up this ponytail slightly, add another rubber band at the base of it, and then on either side tie 2 braids out of it and make 2 sections out of the ponytail you've tied and lifted up. Make 2 braids out of it and then wrap it around. Taking the 2 long braids that are present in the side, roll it as such on one of the ends and the other, and then join them at the back and then fasten them in place using a decorative pin. Add a decorative pin at the top of it all as well. Next, we will start off by taking the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it, and then take this net mesh to it. Roll it upwards and then use a decorative pin through the top of it. This can also be in the form of a hair stick. Take the hair and then wrap it around the hair stick as such. Use a bobby pin to fasten it in its place. Wrap the hair around this bun as well. Take 2 more sections and then let it loose. Tie it up at the back. Add a decorative pin on top of this. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair and then add a hair mesh to the top of it. Add a rubber band to the middle section, lift it up and then tie it up using a rubber band. Lift up a second portion of it as well, and this way it'll look like a bow. Wrap up the rest of the hair and then insert it in the center. Use a bobby pin to fasten it in its place and then add decorative pins all around as such. Next, we will start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side and then tie a ponytail out of each of these 2 sections. Now make multiple loops out of the hair, taking 1 section of it out of one of the sides of the ponytails. Add a rubber band around it once you are done. Do this on either side. Next, take multiple sections from either side of the ponytails that you have taken and then make a braid out of it right in the center. Make 2 braids on either side of it as well. Next, we will start off by making multiple braids on one side of the scalp. We have taken about 5 braids and then join it with normal sections of the hair from the other side. Now make them interchange at the back as such and then make them crisscross and then tie a rubber band at the base of it. Afterwards, comb the rest of the hair into place. Tying a ponytail to the hair, add a spoon through it. Now take a section from the hair at the back and then begin to braid it. Now as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the ponytail into it. Wrap it around the spoon as you progress with it, and then once you reach the base, tie a rubber band to it and then remove the spoon once you're done with this. Roll it upwards and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Lift up this ponytail and then at the base, at the stub, add another rubber band. Add a rubber band to the bottom as well, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the top as such, and then add a rubber band to the bottom after joining both the ends in. Now add a ribbon around the hair, tie a knot to it and then tighten it. Now add a bow to the hair as such. Once you have tied the bow, adjust it as it needs to be adjusted. This will be the final look of the hairdo. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, add a hair stick through the top, add the net mesh right around the hair through the top as such, and then wrap the rest of the hair around the hair stick that you have taken. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Add another hair stick through the other side. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then move it more towards the right side as such. Now loop it around the rest of the hair, gather it together, and then continue to make this loop as such. Twist it with the other section of the hair before you go another loop. Do this about 3-4 times before you continue on, and then once you reach the base of it, add a rubber band to it as such, and then join all of the hair together. Tighten it once you are done. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add another rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself in this middle section 2 times over. Now pull it through the top loop as such and then arrange it as need be, comb the hair into place. Use a hair stick in order to make it stay in place. Add a decorative rubber band or a clip at the back as well. Thank you for watching.